Okay, so question 4 from the 2016 exam. Again, the state likes to throw representations of algebra tiles at our students, so it makes sense to use the algebra tiles when we teach it. And this one, for example, we had 47% of our kids get it right at the state level, which for Sharon means we had about 60%, pushing 70%. Because we do about 20 points higher. And that is only that we're recognizing what this means, but we don't really know how to use them. So for a problem like this, we're hoping at this point you're watching the videos that this is that. Right? And here's my line. But there's 0 on this side. So I got 5x plus 5 equals 0. So I still need to do all this stuff, right? And subtract. This only makes sense if I use tiles. If I bring out the tiles, I can model all this and show you exactly what's happened. And the kids get to it and can do it symbolically. So 5x plus 6 equals 1. So we're going to be using. So let me go and pop open the website for Polypad. 5x plus 6 equals 1. And I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to lie down because it just makes more sense that way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put an extra one here just because it's equal to 1. All right, so now let's see what happens here. Now I'm going to do the steps like I'm supposed to be doing them. Let's see if that's going to erase or not. Ugh. I'm on fire today. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just going to get rid of everything. See if it lets me. And I'm not going to do this videos again. And so let's make a copy. Let's bring you over. Oof, partner. Here we go. If you're watching the video, you're getting flustered with me. Believe me, I'm flustered too. Okay, there he goes. Will he get it right or not? I'm going to do it the way I'm supposed to do it. I'm going to put a -1 here, which means I got to put a -1 here. If you already know that you can remove 1 on both sides already because they're the same, do it. All right? Now I'm putting them over, and I make sure my students model that because I need them to see that. But notice I got nothing on this side here. So 5x plus 5 equals 0. That's not, no. So I got to find a way to get this out of here. And I got to put that -5 here. But what I do to one side, I got to do to what? The other. So there's that -5 on the right side. Okay, and I'm going to walk you through what that looks like with the pictures and then with the just working out old school symbolic representation. Now I got 5x equals to -5. And I do my second grade division, which is to equally share with my x. So each x gets a -1. And that's my answer. Very easy to do. Very aceable with actual tiles, with these guys, with the algebra tiles. If you use them, this is easy. If you don't use them, this is not easy for our kids. And that's why we score here really low numbers at the state, because our teachers just aren't using them. All right, so what the kids should be able to do is give me that 5x plus 6 equals to 1. All right, I'm put that not negative, put down that negative. That cancels out. So, well, actually, it's going to be this. You could do it that way and then add an extra step. But what I should have done is this. When I did it with the tiles, is put down -6 on this side. And the same -6 on this side. I'm going to put my little line. There's my -6. There's my -6. That'll cancel out. 5x equals 2. What is 1 minus 6? It's the question, right? What is 1 minus 6? -5. That's where the hard part is for our students who don't use the tiles or the picture representations. Then from there, I got my 5x divided into these guys. Each gets 1. And just divide by 5, divide by 5. X equals to -1. So symbolically speaking, it looks like this. X, 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 X. Your line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the picture, and x equals to -1. My answer is J. I don't admit it's one of the harder ones, but if you use the tiles, not so difficult. But you got to use the tiles, and you can keep me hearing say that if you're a teacher watching this. There's that coordinator again. He keeps telling us use the algebra tiles, use the algebra tiles. Guys, I'm telling you by experience. I use the tiles all the time, and they're wonderful. And my kids can solve for that when they finish my class without a calculator.